In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace in just 5 minutes. This integration will allow you to seamlessly embed your Calendly scheduling tool right onto your Squarespace website, making it easier than ever for your visitors to book appointments with you. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to calendly.com. Once there, you'll want to click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email associated with your Calendly account and click Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your password. Simply type it into the field provided and then click Continue to access your account. With your Calendly account open, head to the home page. You'll see your event types listed here. Choose the event you want to share on your Squarespace site and click on Share. This action will open new options. From here, click on Add to Website. You'll be offered several ways to integrate, but for today's purpose, we'll choose Inline Embed. This allows the Calendly scheduler to be embedded directly onto your page, so visitors don't have to leave your site to book an appointment. After you select Inline Embed, click on Continue. You'll be taken to a screen with an embed code. Click on Copy Code to save this code to your clipboard because we'll be needing it shortly. Now let's switch gears and head over to your Squarespace website. Once you've logged into your Squarespace account, go to the page where you want to embed Calendly. Click on Edit at the top of the page and then choose AD section. You'll want to add a blank section, so click on Add a blank section. Next, we need a block where we can paste our code, so click on AD block, then select and click Code. This will open up a code editor. Click on the pencil icon in this editor to modify the content. Now paste the Calendly embed code from your clipboard into this code block. Once you've done that, hit Save to apply your changes. After saving, click on Exit to leave the editing mode. Finally, take a moment to preview your Squarespace site to ensure the Calendly scheduler is displaying correctly. You should now see your Calendly widget embedded neatly on your page, ready for your visitors to start booking appointments with ease. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully integrated Calendly with your Squarespace website, enhancing your site's functionality and making scheduling a breeze for your visitors. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.